This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to another Power BI session. As part of this video, I'm going to explain you and show you how we create an Office 365 tenant for an organization, how the tenant Office 365, people will use the Office 365 for signing up Power BI and how Power BI and Office 365 are related. Okay, so as part of this, let's go ahead and start the demonstration. First, go to office.com. You go here, say products. For enterprise, you click enterprise. So you go for clicking see plans and pricing. So this page lists you the different subscriptions or the different type of licenses we have for Office 365 tenant. Usually an organization may take Office 365 E3 or Office 365 E5. So when you take Office 365 E3, you need to buy separate Power BI professional license. But with Office 365 E5, by default Power BI Pro license will be added will be included as part of this license. Okay, you see here, but this was not there in the Office 365 E3. Okay, so now I'm going for, let's click learn more. Here you see, you can get the, here you can see the free trial button. You will get 45 days, I think around 45 days of trial. Office 365 tenant will be provided to you. Okay, once you complete the trial, again you just click the, create the trial version. Yes, this is only for learning purpose. I'm demonstrating this one. So this is a general formal sign up page. Okay, so you please fill your details with the uh, please fill your details. Okay, I'm skipping this part as I need to give my details here. I just completed filling this form and I just clicked next button. Okay, so I started screen sharing again. Now you see here you will get another screen. Here you need to give your office, the user details. Admin. Here you can give your company domain. Okay, as this is a demonstration, I am giving a general, one sample domain, something like own consulting online May 15. Okay, I have given this one. This will go for validating whether the given domain name is available or not. It is available. So you just copy this one. This will be used future. So let's take enter the password and confirm password. Once you complete, you click create my account. The next page will have, we will have to enter a phone number to verify the identity, whether we are a robot, some application is doing this or a human is doing this. So again, I am pausing the screen and I am bypassing this screen. So you just enter your phone number, you will receive an OTP. Now I started screen sharing again. So you see, you will be getting an OTP here. I got the OTP. Okay, so once you enter the details, now click the next. We should complete the sign up process with this one. So it is saying save this information. You will need it later. We already saved it. Usually in the organization, IT people will do only for the, I mean, knowledge sake or learning sake. I am demonstrating this one. So it has been completed. We are ready to go. So now this office.com, the general home page will be displayed. Here you see, here you see the admin page. I'm opening it in a new pad, I mean new tab. Here you can see the administrator dashboard. So what administrator can do is he can purchase the licenses as we have taken the uh, trial version. Here you can add the other users to the Office 365 tenant. I'm going for adding two more users as we are going to use all those people in the Power BI demo purpose. I'm saying user one, say user one, say user one. So I'm going for creating the password. Okay, so now you can assign the license to the user, product licenses. Let's say add. So this is the another user. The same way, go for adding the another user. Now user 2, user 2, user 2. So do the same, I mean enter the password as well. So we just completed adding two users. Let's say done. We just completed adding the other user as well. So in the organization, we will not be doing all these things. Anyhow, IT people also will not be doing using this interface. They will be having some PowerShell scripts or some other tools to automatically create all these things. Okay, so the next thing is, as we are part of the Office 365, now we'll go for now we'll go for powerbi.com. We'll go for signing up into Power BI. So let's say sign up for free. So this is all about Power BI desktop. We don't require that one. Just click sign in. So we should say you are signed in as this one. Let's okay. So this is all about inviting other people into to use the Power BI. Let's skip the part. Now you see, uh, signing up process for Power BI has been completed, but this is so far it is a free, I mean free version of Power BI. I mean free version of Power BI service. There are some limited features are there. Okay, if you go here, only it's a 10 GB. If you go here, you cannot create a workspace. You see here, the feature is available only to users with a pro license. Okay, we can go for try professional for free. You will be getting it for 60 days. Say start trial. Okay, so now this user is having a 60 days of Power BI professional trial license. Okay, so now I'm going to sign out. I'm going for again powerbi.com. Let's sign in. This time I'm going to use the other user one. So by default, everything will be completed by the IT people. Will just they'll give you a username and password to sign in. You will not, I mean, you will not be doing all these things when it comes to real time. Okay, so here also if you see here, this guy is also having the trial version. I mean, free version only. I'm going for trying the pro license. It has been I mean, it has been created. Now sign out. Again powerbi.com. Again sign in. Use the other account. This is going to be user 2, right? Click start. Again, we need to skip the invitations. So with this, we just completed creating the Office 365 tenant and uh, provide, I mean, creating the professional licenses to all the users. I'll continue with this video with the other video for report sharing and the data gateway setup. Okay, so I'm going to use these three users in the other video. So far we have created Office 365 tenant and we have completed the sign up process for uh, I mean we have completed the Power BI sign up process for those users. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.